si Tommy, pre, oh. Oh my God.
You alright? Abby?
Yeah. You.
Yeah.
Okay, doon nabuhay si Tommy kasi lumangoy na lang siya.
What's that?
Shit. It doesn't matter. Let's get Lev and get back to the aquarium. Come on. Take that boat.
Asan si Jessie? Si Jessie, asan? Di ba pupuntahan sila dun sa saan sila nag-stay? Oo, kasi nga naiwan. Oo, kasi naiwan ni Ellie yung map. Ewan ko lang kung siguro pagbalik. Siguro pagbalik ni Abby. Pagbalik ni Abby, patay na si Mel. Patay na sila Mel. Kasi nga di ba pinatay ko sila Mel?
No guards?
They don't use this corner of the island. Look, Love's boat. We have to catch up to him.
Hindi.
Going?
Pagbalik ko doon sa aquarium. Di ba pinatay ko sila ano doon, sila Mel. Yung nakita ko pa nga buntis si Mel, di ba?
We'll take back to
Oh,
us.
pagbalik nila ngayon.
They'll see us. Are you sure
Day
the
3 na
wolves
to
are
eh.
attacking tonight?
Yeah, that's what my friend told me. They'll use this storm as a cover for the attack. Unless Isaac changes his mind.
Your leader, Isaac. What does he want?
An end to the fighting.
Pero ang haba
At
kong
what cost?
i-edit ko
At this
pa to
point,
kasi ilang beses ako nag-restream. Edit. Oh my
Up here.
goodness.
Are you good climbing that?
It's the fastest way.
Grabe, ang tagal ng The Last of Us 2. Sobrang haba. Unlike nung 1, di ba? Parang 3-4 na stream lang. Or 3 stream nga lang ata yun. Tapos na agad eh. Dead.
Fuck.
You know them?
I've seen him around.
Mantik na maging ganyan si
I'm
ano.
sorry.
Mantik na maging ganyan si
That's what
Abby.
it is.
Hindi ko nabasahin yan.
Why are you helping us?
Lev asked me the same thing. I guess you don't deserve this. But also, I needed to. I had to.
Grabe oh. Isang city din siya.
Is that your village?
No, that's Haven. Ours is further inland.
Pa-ending na tayo, chat. We're close to ending, chat. Bahala sila manood ng
What
VOD.
is that?
It's our
Basta
warning
tayo
signal.
pa-ending na.
Your people are here.
Yung iba manonood ng
Island
VOD
is
eh
on
kasi
alert now. We
syempre
need to
puyatan.
God damn it, Isaac.
We'll cut through the logging camp. Follow me.
How many people live here?
Around 1,000.
How many soldiers?
Half of us are trained in combat.
What are the other half gonna do when my people get here?
Some will hide. Most will fight.
Wala na ako gano'ng naintindihan sa kwento. Saan ka nakatulog? Pwede namin ibalik. Like, medyo onti lang naman yung mga nangyari. Some part yung natatandaan mo. Bro, Ewan ko kung nakita mo, pero may mas malaki pang ano,
There's
mas
everyone.
may
All fighting.
may mas malaki pang infected sa bloater. Ewan ko kung anong tawag dun, pero sobrang laki niya. Pinatay siya ni Abby, pre. Ang galing ni Abby, sobra. Apakalaki nun. Pero yeah, ano lang naman about eto si Lev. Parang gusto tulungan ni Abby si Lev. 'Di ba naabutan mo yung hinampas yung kamay neto ni Yara? So ayun, nag-explore si Abby nung day 2. Nung day 2 pumunta siya kala Nora. Uy,
May her
naka-carve
light
pa. Oh.
guide us through the storm.
So, nung day 2 pumunta siya kala Nora para kumuha ng medical
When you're lost
supplies.
in the darkness,
Tapos after nun, eto na,
look for the light.
What's that?
naoperahan na siya.
Something my dad used to say.
Tapos ngayon, nagtatampo to si Lev. Ayaw niyang umalis ng Seattle. Kaya eto, parang, ewan ko, hindi pa na-explain eh, pero gusto ni Lev na patayin yung nanay niya ngayon. Ngayon, sinundan namin si Lev doon sa island ng, eto ang island ng mga, anong tawag doon? Seraphite. Ito yung island ng Seraphite. In short, mga scars. So yung scars saka Seraphites parang parehas lang din. Tapos ngayon, alam na natin yung mangyayari after, syempre, kasi nga pagbalik ni Abby dito, galing sa island ng Seraphite.
This is bad.
How do we get through this?
The gate will be locked.
Ayun. Pagbalik
The
ni
lumber mill. The big building on the right with the torches.
That gets us out of here?
Yeah, we can cut through it.
Perfect.
Ayun. Pagbalik ni Abby galing dito, wala na, patay na si Mel saka si Owen. Tapos, makakapunta na sila doon sa may kung saan nakatago sila Ellie, which is doon sa theater, 'di ba? Doon sa theater is makikita ni Abby yung map na naiwan ni Ellie. Halata naman eh, na ayun yung mangyayari eh. So,
For the sake of your kin and your land, you will be.
oh my goodness.
She's got me! Run, coward!
Wala na dito. Natutubig, ayoko dito. Kahit nga upgrade tayo nung ano. Nasaan na yun? Ito. Teka lang ha, nag-upgrade ako eh. yung nasa tuktok, pre? Wala, ba't pumuputok ka agad, Abby? Wait lang. You know what? Try na natin. Teka, kita ko yung ulo niya, kalbo.
Abby!
Aray ko po! Oh my god, gumaganda na yung aim ko sa controller.
I think
Ngayon,
that's it.
ngayon pa gumanda yung aim ko sa controller.
You alright?
Ngayon lang ako nasanay. Ngayon pa, kung kailan pa ending na, Diyos ko taman. Hindi, kanina, nung ano. Oh my god. Kung kailan pa ending na, saka gumanda yung tutok ang putya. Ano kaya yun?
Come on.
Tapos kay Ellie, walang aim. Nakakahiya. Pre. Controller yun lahat, oh. Kinaya ko. Kay Ellie, walang tutok. Kadiri naman. Hindi ba dapat si Ellie yung mas magaling makipagbarilan?
May she protect us.
Isaac, what are you doing?
This is a gift. They're on our territory now. Let's show them what they deserve. Through her love, we will survive this.
Asan yun?
Where to now?
We'll cut through the lodge up ahead.
Ah, nandun pala sila, dumaan lang.
Yara, back in the logging camp. Where were they taking the kids?
We have shelters everywhere. If things get really bad, we'll take them off the island.
Good.
We knew this day might come. Get your supplies and let's go.
Okay.
Grabe. Ibang-iba na yung lay ngayon. Yung lay ngayon, malaki na ulo. Kasi isipin mo, anong oras no? May nanonood pa din sa akin. Dati gantong oras, ilan viewers ako? 6. 6-4. Ano ba to? Huwag nabasahin yan, wala akong pakialam dyan. Huwag ka na bumalik, Abby. Patingin ng ulo. Anong ulo?
Ready?
Yeah.
Sana may barilan pa. I think, ano to, lalaruin ko to ng off-stream. Parang gusto ko siya laruin ng ano, ng hard difficulty. Gusto ko to laruin ng mahirap na difficulty. Nang naka-controller lang. Kahit alam ko na yung story. Parang ang ganda niya laruin ng ano eh. Ang ganda niya laruin ng ganun. You know. Ano ba maganda i-upgrade? Stability na ito. Damage. Parang hindi na kailangan ng damage na ito. Fire rate, damage, reload speed, stability. Stability na ito. Gusto po. Uy, grabe yun ah. Alright, done. We're close na sa ending. We are here. What if... Tapos, kunin ko... Oh, diba? That's so smart. Ay, never mind. Ganun din eh.
Our village is just on the other side of the farmlands.
Great.
Parang di ko naman masyado nagagamit yung flamethrower ko. Siguro mga 5 AM tapos na. Ayan! Barilan uli! Game!
Where are we going?
See that tall tower?
The Space Needle?
What?
Yeah, I see it.
Head towards it.
Gaano kadami to? Isa po akong dakilang patatas.
They're running away!
Ito na maingay. Nawalan ng tutok bigla ang Lerial Santos. Nag-whiff.
Anyone see them?
Wala ka. Tao pala doon.
Got her!
Patay na. Ang hirap naman may pagbarilan dito, ate ko. Ayoko makipagbarilan sa ganto, ate ko. May umepal sa gilid ko. Saan na yun? Hindi ko makita. Ano ba? Hindi ko makita yung kalaban ko eh. Duga-duga naman. Binabaril ako kung saan-saan. Di ko naman makita.
They went into the cornfield!
Di nga mga makita nga ni. Parang di ko naman sila kailangan labanan. Takbo na lang.
find them.
Hoy, sira ulo.
To the right!
Hindi ko makita.
He's down!
Ay, mayroon pala ako nito. Ito, oh.
Watch out! In here!
Sa ina nyo. Ito, shotgun. Sakit ng arrow. Yung arrow masakit.
I'll find you, Rep! Touch the wolf!
Hala! Sumobra yung aim ko, pre! Ito na lang. Ganon siya eh.
Fuck. That was rough.
Ubos, ubos.
Let's get to the village.
Ubos din ang bala ko. Game, Lev. We're close. Malapit na tayo to access Lev. Ay, ano pala to? Ano na naman pangalan na ito? Nakalimutan ko na naman nga ni... Saan ba? Saan bang bahay dito?
Over here.
Yan daw, over here. Si Yara. Sara kasi yung napupunta sa akin, sa utak ko eh. Patay na nga yung Sara na yun. Sara ng Sara,
It's
patay
here.
na nga eh.
Come on.
How's the arm?
Hurts. This way.
Laban supplies. Sarap po. Inihaw na isda. Hala. Nagke-crave naman ako. Sarap. Inihaw na isda. Ibang Sara pala. Hoy. Wag naman. Wag naman ganyan, Felix. Lahat na namatay dito. Lahat na namatay, ah.
This is the one.
Wala na, pinatay na ni Lev yung nanay niya. Ibang Sara pala. Ay, sa game ba? Ay! Ala ka! Nagets ko na yung minimin ni, ni Felix.
Did she do this? I just tried talking to her. I tried to make her understand. But she just kept yelling. She started chasing me. Tried to make her stop. It's just pushing her off of me. She hit the table.
Listen. You were defending yourself. You did nothing wrong. It's gonna be okay, I promise.
Wait lang! Ah! Ayaw ng nanay niya sa kanya kasi nagpakalbo siya. Ay, mga tao talaga dito, mga kalbo racist eh. Ayaw ng Seraphite sa mga ano ng mga nung nagpakalbo si Lev. Bawal sa kanila. Bawal sa kanila magpakalbo.
Yara, I never should have.
It's okay. I'm glad we found you. Let's go.
But that happens.
What's happening? Wolves?
All over the island. We'll be okay. She protects us.
Shouldn't we head back for our boat?
I mean, katandem niya dati yon. Parang sign kasi ng, ewan ko,
There are lots of boats in Haven.
ayun yung history ni ano eh, ni Lev eh. Na nung start nung nagpakalbo siya, hindi na siya tinanggap sa ano, hindi na siya tinanggap
But it's our
sa,
best chance. Just keep following us.
hindi siya tinanggap sa, ayun yung sinabi nung last time. Nung nagpakalbo si Lev, hindi siya tinanggap sa Scars. Ewan ko, ayun yung pagkakaintindi ko. Kalbo racist yung mga tao dito. Ayaw nila sa kalbo.
Everyone's left to fight the wolves.
Yeah.
Ayaw nila sa akin. Hindi naman ako kalbo eh. Ayaw nila kay Kuya Pat.
How's your arm?
Ayun, mga kalbo na uli yun. 5k subs. Eh.
Yara, Mom believed with all her heart.
I know.
Then why would this happen to her?
Aba, didelete ko yan clip na
Doesn't
yan.
make us immortal.
Didelete ko yan.
This is around every
Didelete ko yan.
She guides us. That's down the street.
Get inside, quickly.
Wala na akong bala. Naubos na yung bala ko. Hehe. Yun, salamat sa isang pirasong bala. Appreciate it.
Under the door, quickly.
We're leaving so many people behind.
We can't help them.
I know.
Stay close to me.
Okay.
Oh, God.
We need to
Daming
go this
patay,
way.
oh.
Lev. Abby. This way.
Ewan ko, hindi. Ayun lang yung, siguro natatawa lang ako sa pag, nung sinabi ni Lev na nagpakalbo siya. Or, ayun talaga yung story. Kung bakit hindi na siya ba't parang naging traitor siya. Bawa mo ma-delete na DL pa na.
Can we get away from these guys?
Yeah. We're going a different way.
AI
The alley
generated.
across the street. Go.
Parang Felix AI. Anong bala yun? Si Felix AI yan eh. Bad. Absent ako sa stream ni Kuya Pat. Wala ako doon.
Abby, we need your help.
Come on.
Are the wolves still nearby?
I don't know. Just keep going.
Yara.
This way.
Got one! Abby?
Yara!
Pinatay si Yara!
Yara, get up! Yara, please!
We need to move.
Come on! I can't leave her here! Stay back! Drop it! Now!
Oh, shit.
It's Abby! Stay back!
Stand down.
Isaac! Sira ulo ka!
What the hell are you doing?
I need you to hear me out.
What's that behind you?
He saved my life.
Move out of the way. We'll deal with you back home.
He's not one of them, please.
Abby, move.
God damn it, he's just a kid!
You have 3 seconds to get away from that scar. 1,
You really gonna shoot me?
2.
I'm not fucking moving.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No! What the fuck?
Oh my god!
Love, we need to move.
She's gone. Oh my god, she's gone. Come on. Those were your fucking people.
You're my people! Listen to me. We're gonna have to fight to get out of this, okay? And then I need you to show us to those boats. We don't let anybody stop us. Yeah? Okay. Okay. Follow me.
What the freak?
Grab what you can.
Nasasaktan na ako! Nasasaktan na ako sa larong to. Hindi na ako natutuwa. Hindi na nakakatuwa. Oh my god. Everyone is just dying. Uy, may kalaban pala dito. Teka lang, ulit. Akala ko mag-e-explore lang. Ulit. Joke lang eh.
Come on out, Abby. Let's get this over with.
We're here to warn them, you fuck. I think I heard them. On me, come on.
Got your back.
Wow! Walang magkiklip nun. Ulit ko ulit. Wala na akong bala eh. Walang magkiklip nun ha. Walang magkiklip nun ha.
Abby! Come on out, Abby. Let's get this over with.
We're here to warn them, you fucking snake.
Look for a way out. Okay. Shit. Shit.
Any sign of her?
No. Barricade the exit and sweep this building.
Abby of all people. Owen killed Danny. Her.
God damn. Hey, focus.
It's fucked up.
Pretty sure I heard them. I'm on it.
Oh my god!
Push in!
Ha? Hindi yun na matamaan.
She's running!
Ba't hindi yun tinamaan tong kalbo na to?
Better trap! Right over here!
Oh my... Pick! Ah, you have many people here, ah. Ay, lumipat.
Oh, fuck!
On the left!
Oh! May tao dun.
Right over there!
Ang lakas na itong pistol na to.
Okay.
Mas malakas pa siya dun sa rifle. Swimming. Wow. Really? Ako ba na skill issue yon or it's just the game?
You still with me?
Boss! Anong L dami? Let's go. Saan ang punta? God.
Cover me.
Yeah.
I got it. Go.
Abby, we killed those wolves.
It doesn't matter. We're getting off this island. Which way?
There's a raiding station up ahead. We're gonna cut through.
Ayoko nga no, I realized.
Hit the ladder for
Pre,
me.
pinatay ni Abby lahat ng kagroup niya. Lahat ng wolves pinatay niya. Wolves. Puro wolves nga power yun. Pinatay ni
How far
Abby
is this
lahat.
haven place?
Still got a ways to go.
Oo, wolf yun. Pinatay ni Abby.
Alright, what have I got?
Burst fire? Hindi ko naman kailangan yung burst fire niya. Okay, stability. Tapos, ano din neto? Recoil. Kaya pala ang hirap gamitin ng pistol ko. Hindi ko pala ina-upgrade. Kagaling. Ang upgrade ko, ito, shotgun. Gusto po. Kasalanan ko din pala, bakit di ako makatama dun.
Through here.
And may shotgun ako, nakalimutan ko nag-exist yung shotgun ko.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Is that Haven?
Yeah. What's left of it?
Lev, where are the boats?
On the docks. Past the fires.
Then we better get down there before they're all gone, right?
Yes.
We're not dying on this island.
I know.
pre.
Let's get
Paliwanag
down there.
na. Alas 4 na.
Where do we go?
Follow the stone bridges.
Okay. Follow my lead.
Ay, tumakbo. Ang dami. Papatayin sila lahat. Ako, epal ako. Hindi, wag na. Dito na lang. Gapang na lang. Sige, laban, wen. Yan, bang, bang, bang! Bang! Bang, 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 bang! Sige. Patayin kayo dyan. Padaan kami, ha?
Cover all the windows! Surround us!
Oh my god, ang dami naglalaban dito. Oh? Hindi ko makakita. Namatay sa gilid ko, pre.
Miles! Push forward!
Ito muna, oh. Wala akong scissors.
Abby, to your left.
It's Abby! I hear her running! Right here!
Natay na ni Lev.
I don't see anybody.
Don't let your guard down.
Abby, I have an idea.
Ka dito.
Lev, come on!
You know how to ride?
More or less. Hang on. Ha! Keep low. Abby's getting away. Just keep pointing the way.
Up ahead!
Here we go. Get ready. No!
Fuck you!
Ano ba kinokontrol ko? Ako pala si Lev. Never mind, ako din si Abby. Ako pa din si Abby, pero bumabaril pa din.
Oh god! Haven.
Should we still go there?
I don't know. The boats are there.
Fuck it. Nothing is stopping us.
Nothing is stopping us.
Hang on. Abby! Fuck!
Burn in hell, you wretches!
Get away from us! Hang on, we're going through! Shit!
Oh my god, grabe yung nangyayari dito. Patayan talaga.
Which way to the docks?
Up and over the hill.
Oh my god, inaabol ng itak yung isa na yun.
Oh god!
Lev, huwag ka mamamatay, Lev.
Of course!
Okay, we have to keep moving.
Right there! The docks!
Okay, we gotta get out of here.
Teka, heal lang ako, Lev,
Abby,
ah.
this way.
Literal na bugbugan dito. Eh, na nagpapatayan talaga sila, oh. So, lahat ng babarilin ko, mamamatay.
Clear out these houses!
Oh my god, wait. Pwede nga pala akong mag-hold ng breath. Sige na, isa pa.
On the right!
Isa pa, isa pa. Oh,
She will save us! May you all burn in hell!
Freaks down!
hindi na ba talaga kalaban ko dito, pre? Hindi ko na alam.
Get to the docks! Don't let anyone escape!
Hold the line!
The docks are just over this hill!
Lily! You brought the wolves to us! Monster!
You know what? Pwede na ba tayo tumakbo? Hindi pwede. Never mind, may pumatay na dito.
Damn it!
Find another way. Leb, up here.
Oh my god, ang daming nangyayari.
Go.
Ang daming pinagdaanan ni Abby. Grabe, mas malala yung kay Abby. Oh my gulay.
We gotta get out of here fast. The supports aren't going to hold. Lev!
Oh no.
Abby! I'm okay! Come on!
Oh!
Stupid, you come back here.
Fuck you!
Iiwan niya yung bag niya? Oh my... Oh my...
No!
You're a damn disgrace! Damn you!
Buhay pa din? Pre! Buhay ka pa din? Aray ko po. Oh my... Sige na, mamatay ka na. Wala ka ng bibig ko. Uy, kapatid! Oh my god, pwede ba sa YouTube yun?
Damn it.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh my...
Abby, got one.
Push.
Get in.
Saan na si Yara? Namatay si Yara kanina, di ba? Binaran ng wolves. Wala na si Yara, patay na. Oo, siya yun, yung kanina. Pre, grabe yung nangyayari dun. Grabe. Wala na, pagbalik ni Abby sa aquarium, patay na sila Mel. Patay na sila Mel. Right? Pinatay na ni Ellie si Mel.
Lev.
Ito ba yun yung na-spoil mo kay Rapu? Ito... Oh, na-disconnect pa yung... Oy, wag ka na ma-disconnect.
Let's get out of the rain.
Ay, naku po.
Yeah.
Na-disconnect pa yung controller ko kung kailan malapit na. Ah, dito na yung na-reveal. Wala na, patay na. Pati yung aso niya. Oh my god, may kita niya yung aso niya dito. Pagkapasok, patay. Oh my god, oo nga. Girl.
Stay behind me.
Hindi ako yun. Pre, si Ellie yun. Hindi ako yun. Hindi ako yun. Si Ellie yun. Ito footstep ni Ellie, oh. Oh my god, nagpa-flashback ako. Nagpa-flashback ako sa ginawa ko nung... Oh my god. Ditong-dito ako dumaan nun. Oh my god. Pagkapasok dito, pinatay ko sila.
Be careful.
Oh my...
Abby.
Yung map. Oh my god, nagalit na si Abby, pre. Yung mukha ni Abby, like, pre.
What do we do when we find him?
Just figure out how to get in first.
We are here. We are here. Lev?
Okay. Grab that ladder. Ready?
Uy, tumalon ka naman, Abby. Abutin mo. Yan. Ano kaya yung narinig ni Rapo? Naku-curious na ako. Naku-curious na ako.
Alright. Stay quiet now. These are Leah's.
Grabe oh! Yung pag-track.
He's been tracking us. Careful. Stay close.
Oh my god, babalik na ako sa POV ni Ellie. Babalik na ako sa POV ni Ellie.
Fucking Jesse. Think I don't know what real gold looks like. Wait till you see this, you son of a bitch. She's gonna love it.
Hands up. Back away from your shit. I said back up!
You're making a big mistake.
Don't fucking turn around. Lev, keep your bow on him. Get on the ground.
You gonna kill me like a coward?
You fucking people.
Oh my god, patay nga pala si Jessie, pre.
Jesse, stand up!
Si Jessie nga
Hands in
pala.
the air, I shoot this one too.
Don't you do it, Ellie. Get out of here.
Stand up! Now!
Don't you fucking dare!
Shut the fuck up! All right?
Stop! Stop!
Toss your weapon.
Toss your weapon!
I know why you killed Joel. He did what he did to save me. There is no cure because of me. I am the one that you want. Just let him go.
You killed my friends. We let you both live.
And you wasted it!
Wait! Get off of her!
Come on! Stay here.
Bakit
Watch the
Abby pa din ako? Bakit Abby pa din?
Fuck!
Labanin ko si Ellie.
Fucking run!
Pre. Patay si Tommy, putang ina mo. Patay si Tommy, pre. Napatay na lahat. Mamatay na lahat. Pati si Ellie, pati si Dina, patayin nyo na lahat.
Motherfucker!
Oh my God. Patayin mo na lahat. Sige. Ano? Kalaban ko, sarili kong... Ellie naman. Natatakot ako sa'yo. Nakakatakot si Ellie, pre.
Fucking die!
Joke lang. Joke lang, Ellie. Joke lang, Ellie. Natatakot na ako sa'yo. Ellie, wag Ellie. Ellie, wag. Sana si Ellie, pre? Nawala si Ellie. Sana yun? Ellie. Oh my god, zombie ka na, Abby. Infected yan kumagat sa'yo. Kulay. Uy! Huh? Ano pipindutin ko dun? Oh my god, tapos ang story. Okay, ayun na yung story ng The Last of Us. Patay na po si Abby. Ayun na yung The Last of Us. Ito na yung ending. Okay, next stream na. Next stream natin, lalaruin natin mouthwashing. Hindi pa ba? Ay, hindi pa ba? Akala ko yun na yung ending eh.
Motherfucker!
Okay, nalik ko yung next stream ko. Wow, nalik ko yung next game ko. Ellie, eto bote oh. Oh my god! Oh my god, pre, si Ellie, dinudge yung bote. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, CJ, magmamarathon ako nito. Kakulit mo naman eh. Oy, Ellie. Tika dito, hawakan ko puwet mo, ha? Olalalala! Oh my god, kailangan ko patayin si kailangan ko patayin si Ellie. Oh my god. Oh my god, patay si Ellie, pre. Never mind.
Shit!
Pre, hindi ko kaya laruin to. Hindi ko kaya laruin to. Kailangan ko patayin si Ellie. Pre, POV pa din ni Abby yung nilalaro ko. Asan na yun?
Come on.
Hoy, molotov! Wag! Wag, Ellie, wag. You don't do that. You don't do that, Ellie. You don't do that. You don't do that, ah. Oh my god, dinudge niya na naman yung bote ko. No, Ellie, you don't do that. I'm dead. Napunta ako sa ilalim ng lupa. CJ, manood ka ng buong VOD ko, maiintindihan mo, promise. Holy moly. Grabe yung ikot ng story na ito. Ang galing ng developer. Ang galing ng Naughty Dog, promise. Nagagalingan ako, sobra. Ang ganda ng ikot ng story, pero minumulto na ako ng damdamin ko. Paano ko lalapitan yan? Oh. Tingnan mo naman. Paano ko lalapitan yon?
Fucking kidding me.
All I have is a freaking battle, man. Alam, may mine pa oh. Tingnan mo. Ganyan ako maglaro ah. Uy. Ganun ako maglaro ah. Magtatago, tapos maglalagay ng mine. Ginagaya niya ba yung movement ko kung paano ko laruin si Ellie? Bro, I feel like it ganon. Bukan. Ala, kainitak ako. Pre, ang hirap patayin ni Ellie. Ang hirap patayin ni Ellie. I'm trying my best here. Oh my God! Ah! Pinali yung buto ni Ellie. Oh my God! Oh my God, Dina! Oh my God, Dina!
Stop! She had nothing to do with it. She's pregnant. Good. Abby!
Oh my God, tingnan mo yung character ni Abby. Pre, hindi niya pinatay.
Don't ever let me see you again.
See? Come on. Bro, even though na pinatay lahat ni Ellie yung kaibigan niya, hindi pinatay ni Abby. Pre. Hindi pinatay ni Abby. Bro, yung ugali ni... Bro. Abby is a nice... Oh my God, mabait